na dapat mong itanong. Really master your product or solution. What does your product or service really do for each customer? Specify. Walang jargon, walang technical terms. Hindi mo kailangan English yan. Kailangan talagang sigurado ka, ano ba talaga ang binibenta mo? Next, differentiation. Like, ang binibenta mo yung bigas. Problema yan. Asukal, bigas. Commodities yan eh. Pag commodities, the market will dictate the pricing. Parang-parehas lahat eh. That's why, mga kliyente ko, if you differentiate, even if bigas ka differentiate tayo. Pero, gusto nila gawin 25 pesos yung per kilo. Pwede yan. Just go. Subsidize ng government. Let's not go there. But, pwede ko sa pwede. Pero, would you want to eat rice na 25 pesos? But the quality of our farming right now, nakaawa na lang farmer na ba? My family, side ng mother ko, ilang hectares yun ba na yan? Mayaman yan, sinabi, mayaman ka sa lupa. Pwede mo bang kainin yung lupa? Wala namang pera. Binagyo, kamusta? Wala naman. So, anong key differences between your product and your service? And of course, your competitors. That will make your target market or target prospect or lead choose you.